There are no gentle breezes in winter, no delicate little puffs to ruffle your hair and dance in the loose sand. In summer, the coast means sun. In winter, wind. There's always a wind, pushing back the tide. The waves ripple, tugging the sunlight along as the current flows to fill the sawgrass marshes. A skimmer dives for his dinner, a magician of sorts appearing here only to disappear again. The never-still wind, turning a drifting hawk into a feathered kite. Sky surfing from limb to bough. Gulls and pelicans will all try their luck, but for now, they're content to wait and not challenge the wind. On shore, the oaks and cypress nurse their gnarled roots. The sun is bright, yet it's a winter sun and lends little warmth. Still, it's better than nothing against the quickening gust. The days are short during the infancy of the year. The wind reigns as king, unchallenged, until summer's saw changes gales to gusts. The sea simmers in the sunset, swirling under the wind. Each blast fluffs the surf to whitecaps. Through the night, it'll play blind man's bluff with the trees and rocks until dawn, when the wind, restless and unsleeping, will introduce another day. Sunset, the sea, and the wind. This is Andy Johnston.